Hey everybody, and welcome again to another exciting episode of Unboxed by Bulbhead, our unboxing series. Today we're going to be checking out Night Hero by Atomic Beam. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Night Hero, they're actually night vision binoculars. So these are pretty great binoculars. They have 10 times magnification, they have a 40mm lens for enhanced brightness, and can reveal objects up to 150 yards away. But what separates Night Hero from your ordinary run-of-the-mill binoculars is that they can be used day or night. Night Hero uses a special atomic beam laser that reveals objects hidden in darkness. That's pretty cool, right? All you gotta do is press a button and it turns on the night vision laser. So, let's see what's inside the box. So there are two pieces inside the box, the binoculars and then a neck strap. Now the binoculars have a real nice weight to them, and you probably can't see this, but there's a rubber grip that actually makes it very comfortable to hold. Before we can use Night Hero's night vision feature, however, we have to first install two AAA batteries. So what you do is take a look at the back, you're gonna give it a tug right here so that it opens up, and then you're gonna take your two batteries, install them like so, and close it right back up. The next thing that we're gonna do is put on the neck strap. So, just get it out of the little baggie here. And it's pretty easy to install. To attach the neck strap properly, the first thing you want to do is take one end of the strap and slip it right through the eyelet on the binoculars. Just like this. And then you're going to secure it on the strap bracket like so. Very quick and easy. Like any pair of binoculars, you can adjust the position of the barrels so that you can see clearly. And then of course you can adjust the focus by using the thumb wheel located right in the middle here. But that's not what makes night vision cool. What makes this product unique is that all you have to do is press this green button right here and you can reveal objects in the dark. Just make sure you don't point it in your eyes or anybody else's eyes because it can cause damage. There's so many great uses for these binoculars. Bird watching, day or night, camping, seeing what's making that noise in your backyard. They open up a whole new world of things that you haven't seen before. So that's Night Hero by Atomic Beam. Thanks for watching this episode of Unboxed, and if you don't have yours yet, click the link in the description to get it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.